Hello, I got a comment in my YouTube videos saying that how you installed MSN Messenger. So Greenleaf says that, oh my god, how did you get this in new MSN? Please, can you make a tutorial on your PC setup? Okay, I'm gonna let you know how we can install MSN on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Visit this website, escargot.chat, then go to download, then choose MSN Windows Live Messenger. The website has a note says that if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 and cannot log in, this is an issue. Your contact list is not available. You should download this version. Anyway, by default, download this version. Extract the compressed file, then install this file. The first one here is it called WLM Windows Live Messenger. And after installation done, do not launch the MSN Messenger. You need to go back and install this file. Run after install. For security reasons, Windows will protect your PC by not allowing to run such files. So you need to click more info here, and after that you will see a new button appears, run anyway. And here you need to batch all, and okay, and okay. So now let's click finish to run Windows Live Messenger. Okay, finish. And here we have it, Windows Live Messenger. Let's create an account and see. And here you have Windows Live Messenger. You need a username and password, and for that go back to the website, click register and create a new account here. After you create account, an activation code will be sent to your email. If you did not get an activation code, then let's use an alternative method. Another website, which is omsgr.com. You'll go here and then click on get started messaging. At the first place, you need to register a new account, then download the file. And after downloading the file, msgr, install it. Okay, done installing. Now you need to create an account here. Oh, this is the download. Here is the registration part. Just type a username and password and hit register. Let's choose any account and then sign in. Okay, here we have Windows Live Messenger. Now you can invite your friend to download and install it in the same way, creating an account, and you can start chatting to each other. Now let's try to test it. I created another account, so let's here sign in and see the magic. Okay, here I'm online. Double tap, and where's the nudge? This is the nudge. Oh, I got it here. Let's do it again. Oh, only one time. Okay. Hello. Send. Oh, you hear the sound? I like the sound. Listen to the sound. Okay, so let's start video cam. And here's me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys.